Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. Thought I'd take a minute to talk to you about what I have on the table here, which happens to be spacers for sway bars for 1958 through 64 Impalas. Now we happen to manufacture a sway bar 1.25 inches diameter that moves the sway bar from underneath the steering box where the factory bar used to go to forward, and it really mounts pretty much underneath the radiator. Now the car you're looking at right now is a 63 and the radiator seems to be a long ways away from that sway bar. Well, that's true on that particular brand. But there are radiators out there that drop down quite a bit, and we have ran into a situation where the radiator interferes with our sway bar. So what we've done is we've built these spacer plates. They're about 3/8 of an inch, and we give you new hardware with it. And it simply goes underneath the bracket that supports the sway bar to the frame, literally lowering the sway bar 3/8 of an inch from the radiator. Now, in most cases, that gets the job done. We have had a couple of clients say, hey, you know what, that's not going to make it. I need to go a little further. And so what we'll do then is that you could stack these, and if we know you're doing that, we can give you the additional hardware, the longer hardware in order to achieve that, and you can lower the sway bar down even further to clear that radiator if need be. The part number for this is an SB5864SP. It's for 58 through 64 Impalas. It solves a problem if you have that. You need the kit? Give us a call. Check it out online. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.